Alright, this is my 22 Patrone Mauser Werke Obendorf single shot training rifle. You see here, this is the iron sights. They are 200 meters on it. Have the scratched up ramp with the hooded front sight post. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get in. You see the markings on there, Patrone. And there's the Mauser Werke Obendorf. It's an AGAN. This one has the 3-tang bolt position. That locks the bolt. Bolt's free, but you can't fire it. And that's fire. This is purportedly a pre-World War II version. There's the Mauser symbol on there. Flip this around.